All right, this is KaotiK Crypto. It is October 23rd, 2023. And what do you know? It looks like the bull market is absolutely here. It is in effect. Great news. I was going to upload over the weekend, but I just wanted to see what was going to happen before I made any real videos, real assumptions as to what's going on. But what's basically happening right now is we are rejecting the head and shoulders pattern. Like, we are pretty much above those levels now. If we got a stern rejection and fell over, that could still be in effect. But overall, it looks like the bull market is happening. We're getting a stroke of seasonality, probably a Halloween, Christmas bull run. Targets 38 to 42K. Some people are already talking about 50K and stuff like that. I don't know about that. We're gonna have to take a look and be alert as to see what kind of power the volume has. Looking at the regular RSI, this is pretty strange. There's a lot of strength in this move right here, without a doubt. A lot of strength, and looks like we have an inverse head and shoulders. I had pointed out this a while back, but this is on the RSI. That's it's an indicator that talks about volume. So it's a pretty strong indicator, and it's looking really bullish. We're looking very good right now. So I'm pretty excited looking at my portfolio. Like, everything's up 10, 20%. You're not late at all in any regards to like starting to DCA in or anything, but some coins haven't moved at all. But look at coins like Solana, Link. They're making moves. They're saying, hey, this we ain't done, right? This is some serious moves. I mean, this is basically the most bullish thing that could have happened, really. This kind of changes my trajectory of this whole pattern. And actually, I'll probably make a new trajectory now, but maybe not yet. Wait for the weekly close. I mean, we need to close above. We really need to close about 30K for the week, which is certainly in the cards. We have a lot of volume coming through. Let's see. A BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF appears on DTCC website, ticker IBTC. Well, that's cool. Bitcoin price nearest key 31.7. We are now at 31,900, going to almost 32K, which is an all-time high for the year, I believe. And I think we are at all-time highs right now. That's awesome. We're very close to it. Very close to it. We might have some resistance here, but maybe not. It looks like it kind of just wants to swing past a lot of this stuff. I mean, DOT up. Ethereum is starting to wake up. What might likely happen is Bitcoin. A lot of the numbers from Bitcoin may start rolling in. The profits from Bitcoin start rolling into the altcoins. Ethereum would be one of them. So let's keep an eye on all that. Let's see. Where was I? Okay, sorry, I kind of lost track there. Atom hasn't really moved yet. Here's a few coins that you should probably be looking at. Not financial advice. And again, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Any kind of suggestions will definitely be appreciated. Aave also woke up. It's also a DeFi play similar to Link. So Aave it's very similar to Link, actually, doesn't it? It's like a 7 or 8x to its all-time high. It's a pretty decent coin. That's not my big go-to, but I do have some. It looks like Cardano is now at 27 cents. What's up? All right, so Cardano's starting to wake up. Still a very good time to start getting in. I mean, I'd be accumulating this all the way up to 50 cents. Straight up. Amazon, Atom. Let's see what else we got here. Bitcoin dominance at 53. Again, I'm targeting 58 to 60%, 62% possibly. As these ETFs get approved, I imagine Bitcoin dominance will just keep crushing. But you got to realize that Bitcoin dominance it's going to top out. When it tops out, that's going to be it, and it's going to start crashing down. It's going to, I mean, it's going to, once it tops out, it's probably going to come on down to 25, 30% over the next couple of years. That will be it. Very cool. I'm pretty well invigorated at the moment. This is really great news. I don't really care much for Hex, but Hex is doing good. Again, Aave, Solana, big mover, Filecoin, Link is just crushing, Injective Protocol crushing. All coins that I don't really talk about all that much, but I do mention them. Another couple coins that are not moving right now: Algorand, HBAR, they're really quiet. XRP is pretty quiet. These are coins that probably won't be quiet for much longer. So, yeah, even the HBAR 6%. Ethereum, Elrond Gold. I don't really care much for Elrond anymore. They've rebranded too many times for my liking. Synthetics. I had a ton of synthetics at one point. Thank you for all that. Celsius, Alex Mashinsky, I had all synthetics, and I had Polygon. DYDX, I did actually transfer a lot of my DYDX into CRO token. I want to start stacking my CRO. I think Crypto.com has got a good future. It has stuck around. It has survived the bear market. I think we are now fully out of the bear market. I mean, we could still get a scare down. Basically, what this is telling me is that 20K is a lot less likely now. That's a lot less likely. It could still happen, but I mean, even if we go up to 35, 38K, 50% drop from down there, you're looking still at 20K. So I mean, I think worst case scenario, yeah, you could probably be getting down there. But the big thing is that the Dow is looking very bearish. NASDAQ stock markets are looking bearish, but yet crypto is going up. So that's a crazy correlation. We're looking a lot more positive with the crypto, but stocks are going down. So I think that's going to be the narrative. And there's a lot of room for the NASDAQ to fall down. There really is. I hate to say it. Though it is still... I watch Alessio Rastani a lot, and he's saying that the equities now are in a bear market. And he might be true. It might be true, but actually, the NASDAQ's still... Is this S&P? This is NASDAQ. This is still a bull flag right there. So not may be totally out of the cards that we start rallying as well. It just looks ugly. It really does look like a kind of 2007-08 type of thing. Total crypto market cap. Look at this. I drew this a long time ago. We bounced heavily off of this trend line. It's looking pretty convictious. My targets, I have a few different targets. I think minimally, I mean, we could be going up to 810K, 810, red line 26. I don't think we're going to get up that high. I think 8.5 to 10 trillion is certainly in the cards for the crypto markets. Maybe we don't go quite there. Maybe we go to 4 or 5 trillion. This is an old pattern though, so I think Zilliqa, another one that you still grab. Graph, it's like so low. A lot of these altcoins are still so low. Stacks has already kind of made moves. Kava, so low. You can still get 18 to 20% on a lot of these cryptos. You can stake them on Atomic Wallet, Exodus Wallet, Coinbase even. And you can get basically you're getting payouts just to hold these things. So, basically preserving the network itself too. So, you're kind of being a freedom fighter. Decentralization, is the key. We need to, power corrupts absolutely, and I think decentralization is going to help level the playing field with the corporate tyranny we've been dealing with. A lot of the age of disinformation, as I keep on talking about. Dixie has fallen down. That's a really hard candle down. I think the U.S. dollar is probably topped out on its dominance, at least temporarily, but it's very likely we may start retracing pretty hard soon. I don't know. Engine coin, great one to accumulate right now. Filecoin, great one to accumulate right now. A lot of people are dissing the fact, like, they don't think that Filecoin can get all the way up here again. I don't know. Decentralized storage is going to be a bit of a theme, I think, as well, along with AI. So I don't know. I think Filecoin. I mean, that's what is that? A 10x is 30, 20x 60, 30x 9. I mean, that's like a 50x, 100x almost to its top, just to its top. Gala Games. I think this one could be a good move. It's a cool ecosystem. But yeah, good for Link getting up here. But you have to understand we could still come on back down to $7 and $8. So just be ready for a retrace. It's pretty exhausted, I would say. But there's a lot of volume coming in. Link is not a dead coin. That's what this is screaming. But the daily is oversold. So I actually exited all my positions on Link. I didn't think it was going to go all the way up here. I thought we were going to have more consolidation bounce, but all good. I'll restack in here somewhere. But yeah, I made a little money on some margin trading with that. I wish I'd waited longer to take the profits, but living and learn. Ontology is starting to wake up as well. Internet of Things, blockchain. You get 18-20% on this. Exodus, I think, is the main one for that. Near Protocol probably bottomed out at 97 cents. You get 107 right now. Its top is $20, so it's a 20x to its all-time high. It's just screaming, like opportunity right here. And again, it's going to be Bitcoin season, I think, still for the next couple of months. And then we'll probably have a cool-off period. And then when the halving happens, I think it's going to be interesting to see. But I think really there's still a lot of opportunity with the altcoins. Oh man, I love seeing this. Love seeing it. So dangers, there are some dangers ahead. Dominance is definitely going way high. The dominance will reverse here at some point. Yeah, the only thing, open interest margin it's redlining now, which means there could be another shakeout. Now it's gonna be interesting when it prints tonight. Is this going to be a shakeout to get rid of all the shorters? If this continues up here, I'm going to suggest that we're going to get probably a big pushback down to 28, 29K. Some kind of big scare or some kind of big shakeout real quick. Biggest winners, Filecoin is up there. Injected, Rocket Pool, not a big fan. Aave, Polkadot's up there. I think Polkadot, 12% on Crypto.com, 10 and 11% on Coinbase, and you're getting free, rewards on these things. And you're buying at such a low price, so low, so cheap right now. It's amazing, really. XDC network, I need to start stacking more of that. Graph. Biggest losers, KuCoin. Stable coins, we're losing. Hedera is actually down. That's interesting. Is that on the? I don't know what that's on. Fear and Greed Index starting to top out 53. This is saying we're at. This is saying 63. Is that a different? If we are at 63. If we're at 63, I mean, to me, that's a bit of a warning sign. So, something to look out for. Credit panic. All right, so yeah, we're at an all-time high. FTX creditors fight for fair compensation. Bitcoin tops 31,000. Solana leads the way as institutions pour millions into crypto markets amid Bitcoin ETF excitement. So we haven't even had an ETF approved yet, and everyone's freaking out. So this could be kind of like a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing going on right now. It's possible you don't get an ETF until early 2024. And they may not say anything for another month or so. two major whales. This altcoin beginning to take profit. Large crypto. That's probably talking about Link more than likely, or Solana. Black Tech takes apparent new step in Bitcoin ETF prep. Yeah, I mean it's all positive news. I mean, I think this pretty much for me confirms the bull market is happening. We're not going to be going down to 20K anytime soon. It is possible a black swan event, stock market crash, sort of thing. Like, what else could really happen though? It's like we've been through everything. How many wars? How many just nightmare scenarios have been thrown at us? So, as a crypto guy, I think a lot of the fog has been cleared, and it's going to be some good days ahead. But we do have about 5 more months till the halving. What are we at? We're not almost November. So November, December, January, February, March, April. It's 5-6 months. And that basically means you have 5 or 6 months to stack before the store starts just popping. So get ready, hold on tight. It's going to be fun. We're going to do some more technical analysis later, but this has just been an exciting day. Good stuff. 32K. We're at 32. Wow. Beautiful. Basically, it's a big short squeeze. Probably a lot of shorters, people that are betting against the markets are getting just completely wrecked. The head and shoulders pattern is completely neglected now. It's not even a pattern. So, I mean, coming down here is – I don't even want to really entertain that anymore. We're looking more at a scenario like this. And this could take us to 200. This could take us to March, February 2025. Yeah. Things are looking good. 2024, 25. Yeah, this would take us to the end of the year 2025. I mean, my take profits for Bitcoin has been around 100, 120K, but we might go to 200K on Bitcoin. So just keep your ears out, eyes open. We'll see what happens. We'll check back in tomorrow, but enjoy and relish. And if you're in the markets, you really held on. If you're just getting into crypto, this is a great time to start stacking and creating a portfolio. Don't wait. I mean, I'm telling people to get in, and they just look at me and either roll their eyes, like, and it's heartbreaking because, like, I know they think I'm crazy, but in a year they're going to be hitting me up, and by then, yeah, I mean, if you're buying in a year, you'll still get probably a 3 to 5x, maybe a 10x occasionally. But if you're in right now and you've been in for a while, you know this game, and you're going to do well. So we'll see what happens, but hang in there, hodl on, and we'll check back in tomorrow. Peace.